I will never underestimate hydrogen engines after learning this. Ready for a tech ride? Buckle up! First up, the pros. Hydrogen engines are super green, no greenhouse gases, just water vapor. Imagine fueling up in minutes instead of hours. Plus, hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. Sounds perfect, right? Well, not so fast. Now, the cons. Hydrogen storage is tricky and expensive, and those fuel cells, they need rare materials. Also, building a hydrogen refueling network is a massive challenge. So, what's the verdict? Hydrogen engines have huge potential, but we're not quite there yet. Keep an eye on this tech. It might just surprise us. Like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you next time.